Hello YouTubers, I am the Tailorette, the one opening this door and the one picking up the package in this video. And this video is about what this package means to me and the next phase of my YouTube channel. Look at all of these beautiful fabrics. Oh, so gorgeous. So these fabrics are going to be for Regency dresses. I know I told you I'm not going to be doing Regency dresses, but I am going to be doing Regency dresses, and I will explain that in a minute of why. These are all, look at these gorgeous fabrics. Like, oh, that's amazing. Oh, this one's my favorite. I think this one is definitely my favorite. So yeah, we've got yellow, gorgeous yellow here. Can you imagine all these fabrics made into dresses? I think I've ordered this one before, but I think it did so well, I just decided to do it again. So I tried out some new colors, some blues, absolutely gorgeous. And this one may not be a Regency dress. I might use this for something else, but we'll see. So I have no idea how many of you all know what cotton, Indian cotton is, but this is basically, this is cotton from India. And the reason why I order my cottons from India is because not only do I love their prints, but also historically, they actually bought their cottons from India. And if you watch any historical movies and they talk about India and cotton, excuse me, Mango, sorry, subscribers. Mango's being very loud. Anyways, so they use Indian cotton, and this is very historically accurate to use cotton from India. But also what I love about their cotton is it's very thin, it's very light. Now, that's not because I like sheer dresses, but that's just how dresses were made back then. They had a lighter weight on top, then they wore their chemise or bodiced petticoat underneath, and it just gave a very light and airy look. And it wasn't like your quilter's cotton. Quilter's cotton is very high quality. The real quilter's cotton is very high quality. However, cotton voile for dresses definitely drapes a lot nicer. You can get it in a solid white from India. Love their white that they have. It's more like a muted white, but it's not too creamy. It's like very soft white. Like it's not like the cotton voile we get from here in the States. These are all going to be made into dresses for my Etsy shop. And I'm going to make 3 or 4 different sizes out of each fabric. So I am super excited. I am stocking up my shop. My shop is empty, guys. All I have is just random dresses in there, which if any of them happen to fit, feel free to go over there and buy some. So you guys, I have a mission. These are all Indian saris going down here, and they all need to be made into dresses. Now, why am I putting this pressure on myself now? Well, I have an announcement to make. So I am actually pregnant again. So this changes life because now I can't just model in a corset. So now I have to make dresses for you, create for you, without putting a corset on. I may consider making a maternity corset or something, or studying that in one of my videos. However, the clincher is, I have a little girl. She's basically a toddler now, and there's a lot of time being taken. So I have 2 to 3 hours a day to get things done while she's napping. Whatever I can get done in those 2 to 3 hours every day is what is going to be on this channel. So it may not be a creative project. It might be, hey, this is what's going on in my studio. I am going to try and work on creative projects still, but it's going to be piece by piece. If you see me eating on my videos here, it's probably because I'm pregnant. No, it is because I'm pregnant. So to even raise the stakes even higher, all of this fabric has to be made into dresses before baby comes. Like really, it has to be done because I don't want to have to be making dresses postpartum. If you want to follow along with my journey of being a mother and being a creative as well, and how I fit that into my life or not fit it into my life, feel free to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you next time.